Welcome back to GenomicsGenesis. Today, we are diving into the taxonomical kingdoms, the major groups where all living organisms belong. Whether you're preparing for a NEET exam or your CBSE exam, or just curious about life's diversity, this video is just for you. So, without any further delay, let's break it down. Earlier, the traditional five-kingdom system that was proposed by Whittaker in the year 1969 was studied. The five kingdoms were Animalia, Plantae, Fungi, Protista, and Monera. Later on, the five-kingdom classification was replaced by the modern six-kingdom classification in the year 1990s. Here, only the Monera kingdom got splitted into Archaea and Bacteria, and rest all the kingdoms remain the same. Most modern classifications use the three-domain system, which we will be discussing in our next videos. So, let's discuss the kingdoms in details one by one. The first kingdom that we are going to discuss is the Animalia. Animalia has properties such as multicellular, eukaryotic, and heterotrophic, having no cell wall but has a flexible cell membrane. The living organisms have characteristics such as they can move, they can respond to stimuli, and they can reproduce sexually. Examples: lion, humans, insect, fish, etc. The second kingdom is the Plantae, that is, plants. The organisms are generally multicellular, eukaryotic, and autotrophic in nature, having cell wall made up of cellulose and presence of chloroplast in the cell structure. They have certain characteristics such as they can show photosynthesis, have cell walls, and reproduce asexually as well as sexually. Examples: mango, tree, rose, moss, ferns, etc. The third kingdom is the fungi. The organisms are generally multicellular, eukaryotic, and heterotrophic in nature, and the cell wall is made up of chitin, and no chloroplast is present in the cell structure. They have certain characteristics such as they can decompose organic matter and they can reproduce via spores. Example: mushrooms, yeast, penicillium. The fourth kingdom is the Protista, that is, protists. They are generally unicellular or simply multicellular eukaryotic in nature. They have varied cell structure. Some have cell walls. They have characteristics such as they are diverse group, they are often aquatic, and they can reproduce asexually. Examples: amoeba, paramecium, algae. The next thing that we are going to discuss is about the archaea or archaeobacteria. They are generally unicellular, prokaryotic in nature. The cell structure has no nucleus and the cell membrane is unique in nature. They have certain characteristics such as they can survive in extreme environments and they have an ancient lineage. Examples: methanogens, thermophiles, halophiles. The next thing that we are going to discuss is about bacteria, that is, eubacteria. They are generally unicellular, prokaryotic. Cell structure has no nucleus and the cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. There are certain characteristics such as they are ubiquitous, they have a diverse metabolism, and they reproduce asexually. Examples: E. coli, Staphylococcus, and cyanobacteria. If you like my contents, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel, that is Genomics Genesis, for such exciting biology content.